Global Corona-19 Pandemic Era. KIYON, a company leading the K-defense in Korea and fulfilling its role as a global leader. KIYON COVID-19 Walkthrough Booth. Medical staff around the world have made many sacrifices while conducting medical activities with a sense of mission. Every country could no longer afford to neglect the medical staff's sacrifices struggling on the front line with COVID-19. With the idea of separating the COVID test staff from the test subject, KIYON developed the world's first positive pressure walk-through booth product by applying its glove box technology. It is now possible for medical staff to quickly inspect people visiting the clinic efficiently in a closed booth that does not require protective clothing. However, the medical staff's accumulated fatigue who conduct long-term examinations in a small booth showed the positive pressure booth's limitations. In response to immediate market demand, KIYON has developed a negative walk-through booth that allows medical staff to conduct tests outside freely and test subjects who stay for a while in the booth. The positive pressure walk-through booth can reduce the medical staff's fatigue more than the negative pressure booth. The communication between the test subject and the medical staff can be smoothly performed similarly to the positive pressure walk-through booth. Due to the frequent group infection cases by region due to the spread of COVID, the existing fixed-type the walk-through booth operation system also encountered limitations of inefficient operation. Accordingly, KIYON developed a vehicle-movable walk-through booth by taking advantage of truck mobility and cargo loading. 2 medical staff are placed in the booth to enable rapid sample collection. Also, HEPA filter and pre-filter are installed to safely ventilate more than 300 times per hour to protect medical staff. Depending on the weather at the mobile clinic, a rain and sun protection barrier is installed. Also, PVC material replacement gloves, air conditioners, and UV light are installed. In addition, production is possible by adjusting the mass production size by customizing according to the user's needs. To overcome the COVID pandemic era, KIYON developed and produced walk-through booth products that are not available in the world in response to market needs most proactively. KIYON will continue to be a leading company in overcoming the global COVID pandemic through K-quarantine. KIYON.